Hello guys, it's Nicole and today I am doing a video using as many Colourpop eyeshadows I have as possible. I wanted to film today and I wasn't sure what to film, and then I realised I have so many Colourpop eyeshadows I haven't either really used that much or just haven't touched in a while, so I thought let's see what looks I can come up with using as many as possible and hopefully something good turns out. An FYI, I am sick, so I probably sound funny. I'm probably going to be like doing this a lot or cutting bits out. So if it's very jumpy in some parts, it's because I am very sick and I'm trying to not, sniffle throughout my video. Yeah, also I don't know what's happening with my makeup lately. I don't know if my pomade's drying out, so my eyebrows don't look as good. Like, I don't think they ever looked great, but I feel like they're getting worse. And my foundation, the Kat Von D, does not stick to my face as great as it used to. I don't know if my skin's become dry or it's just for some reason not taking, but I think my skin's slightly changing maybe. So I'm going to just like zoom in a little bit and show you. Let's see. Okay, that's really close, I'm sorry, but if you see all here, it's just not taking, and my forehead, it's not really taking that well. So I don't know if you could really see in that, but that's what's happening to my face at the moment. It's not taking. If you see it now, sorry, just please ignore it. And yeah, let's just jump straight into the tutorial. If you're keen on watching, let's get to it. Okay, so first things first, I'm just gonna set my lids. Yeah, using the Glow Super Shadow. So it's just that. It's my fave. I'm gonna press it all over my lid. This is just going to help give a nice little base for the rest of the shadows. Again, I don't know what I'm doing, I'm just winging it. I'm just going to try and grab out as many shadows as I have as possible, and we'll go from there. Go in with Itty Bitty. These ones are all Super Shock shadows, so just putting that through my crease. The thing I love about Colourpop Super Shock shadows, you don't have to tap off and they're so pigmented. That's why I felt okay doing like my foundation, my concealer and a cream bronzer, just setting that, because usually I won't do my base before my eyes, but I know that it won't fall out. Okay, I want to dip into Paradox, so it's just that one, and put that in my crease as well. Yeah, a lot of them are like breaking, I don't know. Maybe they're just old and I need new ones. Because a lot of these I've had for a very long time. It's really nice and pigmented. I like Paradox. So pigmented. I'm just going to warm up the outer V with... I'm going to go in with Tang. At the moment it looks like just a basic look, which is fine, but we'll put something on it just to change it up a bit. Yeah, I think that's going to be a bit too light for... It actually showed up a lot better than I thought it would. I'm just going to have to pack it onto the brush, pack it down and then blend it out. I kind of want to use a colour, but I don't know what's going to work with it and look okay. It's hard. I thought I was going to do like a lot more shadows, but a lot of these are shimmers and I didn't realise that before I sat down because I'm stupid. But we'll work around with it. I'm just going to conceal my lids real quick. So I'm sitting there like with my mouth open. It's because I can't breathe properly out my nose, so I'm trying to breathe out my mouth as much as I can. Go with that green on my lid. That would be very nice. Plus I asked a friend and she even said green, so it makes me feel better about the using that. I'm just gonna pop that on the lid. Don't know why I haven't used this green before. It's definitely a good choice, I like it. I'm now gonna go with Cornelius and go over my other V with that. I'm not gonna do too much because it is light, but we'll see. Add the tiniest bit of rainbow. A bit to the center. Something, I guess. Go to the other eye just to make it match. Mascara. With side. This is just a Colourpop shadow as thing as well. Super Shock Cheek. Into the hairline because we want to look blended. And now some highlight. In with Smoking Whistles. It's really showing up. Should be. Just use some more setting spray just so it doesn't look so. I'm going to use the BYS Velvet lipsticks. It's nice. Underneath my eye. To finish up, guys, for some reason I thought it would probably turn into like a bronzy look, but I'm really glad it didn't. I know this is probably not much to most people, but I really like it. And yeah, so if you enjoyed this video, apart from the fact that I am sick and sound horrible, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you